We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this correction zone. All right. Anyway, at this point, we're looking at this correction, and what we want to see with the breakout of the 26 and the breakout of the 30s, and as a short term. All right, because most important thing to see the breakout of the 0.35, 35 cent. All right, because from there we can look for the trade as a long term. But anyway, still we are within the correction zone, and even if we move to forward chart, all right, there is a possibility this one turn to flat for one more drop, and even we can look at the chart in this way as a first correction for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right, again, we are not looking for at this, I mean, the point, the way the market is moving, because we know that Bitcoin is up, at the uptrend, almost at the all-time high. The possibility of to get one more drop is very less. That means we don't need to wait for one more drop before we take the trade. What I want to say is that we need to know about this possibility. All right, we need to know about the structure. But if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. If it's not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade, because we know about the bigger picture, how to look at the chart. All right, and for me, again, if we get one more drop, any reversal, it can give me better opportunity to look for buy. But if I get any trade set up for buy at this point, even I will take it. But if there is a continuation as a corrective, we are not going to keep the trade. We're looking for continuation as a sharp move, at least similar to what we have here. And we're looking to see the breakout of the 0.26, 26 cent following by 30. All right, and we don't see any trade setup, and we don't need to read, I mean, refer to the indicators because we don't see really much information. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even if you want to look at this one as a flat, having entry above here because of this shadow is not really a good idea, unless we put our entry somewhere around here. All right, even this one, as we can see the price tag, many times there is a possibility price tag and drop. That's why we are not going to put our entry either above here or here. But again, if anyone wants to put the entry, the only option is to put a wolf desktop. Rather than that, we have nothing else. All right. And even if he wants to wait for one more drop, this one turned to flat. The next one, the only way is to look for trade as a short move. Like in that case, the only way is to look for trade based on lower time frame. Then what I want to say is that we don't see really good trade setup at this point. And the only option is, which is not really good, having trade at desktop. All right. Anyway, that's why I mentioned we can expect this one tend to flat. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Again, any trade for buy from now, we will take it. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.